Welcome to Dorman Products Ignition Cylinder Installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered of medium difficulty by our technicians. This installation will take approximately 1 hour to complete the repair. Tech note: for display purposes, we have removed the steering column from the vehicle to best explain how to install this part. To complete this repair, you will need a lock plate tool and a steering wheel puller. Start by disconnecting the negative battery cable. Begin the installation by removing the horn pad and the horn contact button. Continue by removing the steering wheel nut retainer and nut. Then, remove the steering wheel. Next, remove the wheel locking plates by using the lock plate tool to relieve tension. With the plate compressed, remove the snap ring. Continue the installation by removing the turn signal canceling cam and hazard flasher button. Remove the turn signal switch mounting screws in order to move the turn signal switch out of the way and gain access to lock cylinder release tab. If equipped, locate and remove the key buzzer switch. Finally, remove the lock cylinder retaining screw. Ensure the ignition is turned to the off position and pull the lock cylinder from the column. To install the new cylinder, push it into the port and tighten the retaining screw. Complete the installation by carefully reinstalling all disconnected components.